What if you could get Xbox Game Pass, Discord Nitro, and over 50 games, all in one subscription? Yeah, Microsoft might be about to change gaming forever. And this time, it's not just a small update, it's a whole new strategy. So here's what just happened. Microsoft quietly teased a new partnership with Discord. At first, it didn't seem like a big deal, but then leaks started coming out. And now, we might be looking at one of the biggest changes in gaming subscriptions. It's called Xbox Game Pass Starter Edition. And no, this isn't just another plan. This is a completely different approach to how people enter the Xbox ecosystem. Instead of targeting hardcore gamers, this plan is built for casual players, students, and people who don't even own a console. Basically, anyone who wants to get into gaming without spending hundreds of dollars up front. Now, let's break down what it reportedly includes. First, access to over 50 games from the Game Pass library. And these aren't random low-quality games. We're talking about real, popular titles, like Stardew Valley, Grounded, and Fallout 4. Games that people already love and keep playing for years. And here's the interesting part. This Starter Edition isn't limited to just Microsoft's own games. It also includes third-party titles, which makes the value even bigger. Second, you get 10 hours of Xbox Cloud gaming every single month, which means you don't need an expensive console. You don't even need a powerful PC. All you need is an internet connection, and you're in. Think about that for a second. Gaming is no longer tied to hardware. It's becoming a service, just like Netflix. And that's exactly where this is heading. Because this isn't just about games anymore. Microsoft is building something much bigger. They're building an ecosystem. An ecosystem where everything is connected. Your games, your friends, your subscriptions, your progress, all in one place.
And the biggest piece of that puzzle, Discord Nitro. Now, if you've used Discord before, you already know how powerful it is. Voice chat, communities, streaming, it's basically the social hub of modern gaming. With Discord Nitro included, you're not just playing games anymore, you're part of a community. You get better streaming quality, custom emojis, bigger uploads, and a premium experience while gaming with friends. So now think about the full picture. You're playing games through the cloud, talking to friends on Discord, earning rewards, all inside one subscription. And yes, you can even earn Xbox rewards points while playing, which means the more you play, the more benefits you get. But here's where things go to the next level. Microsoft isn't stopping here. They're already exploring partnerships with other services. And one of the biggest names that came up? Netflix. Now imagine this future. One single subscription that gives you games, movies, social features, and cloud access. No separate payments, no complicated setups, just one ecosystem. That's not just convenient, that's powerful. Because once users enter that ecosystem, they're likely to stay. And that's exactly what Microsoft wants. Now let's talk about why this matters in the US market. In the United States, subscription-based services are huge. People are already paying for Netflix, Spotify, Disney+, and more.
So adding gaming into that model, that's a natural next step. And if Microsoft prices this Starter Edition correctly, it could explode in popularity, especially among younger audiences, students, and casual gamers who don't want to spend $500 on a console. But of course, there's competition. Companies like Sony, Apple, and even Google are all watching this very closely. Because if this works, it could shift the entire gaming industry toward bundled subscriptions, and whoever controls the best bundle controls the audience. Now the biggest question is pricing, because everything depends on that. If this launches at a low price point, it could bring millions of new users into the Xbox ecosystem. But if it's too expensive, people might stick with what they already have. Either way, this is a big move, and it shows exactly where the future of gaming is going. Less hardware, more cloud, more subscriptions, and more connected experiences. So now I want to hear from you. Would you actually pay for a bundle like this, or do you prefer owning your games? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to stay ahead of the biggest tech and gaming trends in the US, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, because the future of gaming is changing fast, and you don't want to miss what comes next.